I found this incredible tree while hiking and I couldn't stop thinking about it. I filmed it, photographed it, and now I'm sketching it with fine liners and brush pens. I'm Leah, a visual artist inspired by the Atlantic forest where I live, and in this video I'll take you step by step through my process. I love this sketch so much that it will become a painting one day. I started this work with a simple and quick pencil sketch, just laying down the main elements I wanted to draw: the tree trunks, the main branches, and the mountains in the background. For the trees, I'm only putting on paper the position of the main branches that I'll draw later directly with fine liners. The mountain you see in the background is the Caledonia Massif, so for me it's important to get the silhouette right so it's recognizable. In a previous video I created a watercolor piece featuring this mountain. If you'd like to see it, the link is in the description. I used the reference photo throughout the whole sketch, and you can download it for free in the link in the description. Leafless trees are always an amazing subject to draw because you can really see the structure of the branches without the leaves. I also love noticing and capturing on paper the intricate nature of their branches. Each tree has its own unique shapes and forms. Usually it's a good idea to start from the center until the border marked by pencil. For me, trees represent special beings of the forest, supporting the whole ecosystem. I'm really inspired by them and I want to expand my practice of drawing and painting trees from the Atlantic forest. I'm drawing loose lines that I think fit this tree perfectly. And notice that when I draw a branch that goes behind another one, I'm careful not to just draw over it. Before moving on to the mountains, I used the kneaded eraser to soften the graphite sketch. For this work, I'm using Tombow water-based brush pens only in grayscale shades. Brush pens are perfect for varying line width depending on the pressure you apply. They can also be layered, so with the same pen you can get different values of the same color. Just apply one layer on top of the other. For the forest in front of the mountains, I'm using scribbles and layering them to darken certain areas. At this stage, I felt I went too dark on the shadows, but in the end the result worked out fine. Still, I think a lighter gray would have been better for the mountains in the background. In my last video I showed you some pages from the book of the tree, and today I want to share a few more. Especially those that also show leafless trees with intricate branches. This area is also part of the forest between the tree in the foreground and the mountains. I kept darkening some areas of the background, mainly to balance the mountain shadows that had become too dark. For the sky, I wanted some clouds but not too dark, so I used my lightest gray. Now I'm slowly adding texture to the trunk and branches, but not too much. I don't want this tree to completely lose its volume and become just a silhouette. When a branch is in front of another, I darken the one on the back so we can better understand which one is in front. With a thicker pen, I darken the shadowette parts of the trunk, adding more volume to the tree. Now I'm adding the final touches while my cat Yuki sleeps on the floor. And when you hear any odd sounds in the background of my videos, it's usually him snoring. I hope you enjoyed this video and the sketch, and that it inspires you to also draw the trees where you live. I really enjoyed working on this image and I'm thinking about painting it soon. Since I live very close to its location, I could even paint it from life if I want to. I also have many photos of the same tree from different angles in case I decide to change something. If you'd like to draw this exact tree along with the one on the left page that was featured in my last video, you can download the reference photos for free in my community Our Nature. The link is in the description. If you also love nature art, subscribe to my channel for more. In the description, you'll find links to my community and my profile on all other platforms. Bye!